drone you're looking at is the InDro Endurance, a unique aerial solution developed here in Ottawa by InDro Robotics. Unlike drones you may be familiar with, this is a cellular connected drone intended for complex data collection missions. That means that one of our many certified drone operators can connect and fly this drone remotely over a 5G connection from anywhere in the world. With the InDro Endurance, we capture images and video of large areas of land, particularly those with vegetation, wildlife, or critical assets, then turn this data into high-definition maps and 3D models that offer valuable insights into the surveyed zone. The cellular nature of this asset makes it invaluable in mission-critical scenarios, given its capacity for beyond visual line-of-sight flights. For people like firefighters and paramedics, it can be deployed at a moment's notice and travel notably longer distances without losing connection. Drones like this are being used in agriculture, mining, utilities, solar, and the construction industries, just to name a few. If you want to learn more about the drone industry, the InDro Endurance, or other unique unmanned aerial vehicles developed by InDro Robotics, then check out the news page here on our website and consider subscribing to stay in the know.